Double jab right, move your head. Ooh, Todd can punch. Double jab right, let's go. Move your head, look down that jab. Throw it fast. Then move that head, get it out of there. Double jab right, move your head. Use your power. That right hand, turn your hips, use that power. Good. Use your power. Good. Double jab, Miroslav, not one, double. Yeah. Double jab power, double jab power. Good. Double jab right, use your power. Keep your hands with your head. Oh, when you're throwing your right, you keep your head straight up, Todd. You'll see it in the pace. Go. Keep your chin down. Good, good. Turn those shoulders. Turn those hips. You throw that right, bring it back to your face. Good.